find the midpoint of the line segment where in a coordinate plane where the coordinates of the points are given. So the coordinate of point S and coordinate of point T is given. So your S is -7/2 and your T is +3 and -8. So these are the coordinates. For finding the midpoint, we will use the formula. And since if it is in a coordinate plane, it will have x and y, right? So x1, y1, x2, y2. Any one you can choose as x1, y1 and x2, y2. I've chosen these S as x1, y1, T as x2, y2. Now let's use the formula, okay, for the midpoint. The formula for the midpoint in a coordinate plane where you have x and y axis will be the x-axis, the midpoint x-axis you can find if you add x1, x2 divide by 2, and the coordinate of the midpoint y-axis can be found y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So if you look at here, what is your x1? -7. What is your x2? +3 divided by 2. This is your x-axis of the midpoint, and let's find the y-axis of the midpoint. You will add -8 plus 2 divided by 2. So -7, +3, they will get subtracted. Answer will be -4/2. Similarly, -8 and +2 will get subtracted. Answer will be -6/2. When you solve it, you will get the coordinates as -2 and -3. So that means the midpoint will be roughly somewhere here in the middle, and the coordinate of the midpoint will be -2 is your x-axis and -3 will be your y-axis. So this is how we can find the location of the midpoint if the 2 points are given in the coordinate plane which has x and y axis.